Dear children, all these days you have been regularly attending the online classes. Now it is time for assessment. It is time for your first periodic test. In this test, the questions will be given to you in two formats. One, the MCQ types, that is multiple choice question type, that will be done through Microsoft Forms. I know you all are already familiar with MCQ type of tests, where you have to simply tick the correct option and finally you have to submit pressing the submit button. It is very simple. Okay, and the second format is subjective type. Here the question paper consisting of certain number of questions will be uploaded. You have to open the file and download, and then you have to start answering the questions. After you finish writing, you have to send those written answers to us. But how to send your written work immediately after the exam, that also in PDF form. I will show you here how you can send and submit your answer scripts as a PDF file. For this purpose, you have to install an app which can scan your written work as well as that can be converted into a PDF file. There are many apps, but I am suggesting Microsoft Office Lens. Let's see how it works. First, I will go to Google Play Store. It is available in any Android smartphone. I will try Microsoft Office Lens. It may take a longer period of time to install. Once downloaded, open it. You have to allow all this. Press the next button. Here you will see two options: accept and send optional data or don't send optional data. We don't need the first option, so I will click the second option, that is don't send optional data. Now the app is ready to take the picture of your written work. Set the document mode. Hold the mobile phone steadily so that it can scan the document perfectly. Once the first picture is taken, press confirm. If you have second page, then click on add new. Then click the picture of second page also. Similarly, third page, fourth page, scan the remaining pages. Then press the done button. Now save in gallery and PDF. So all the pages are converted into one PDF file. So the PDF conversion is done. Now how to bring them into your PC or laptop? Okay, let's watch that. We can do this through emailing option. There are other options also, but I think this will be easier for you. Let me show you. Let's open the MS Lens once more. Click the three dots button here. Then go to My File. Click the PDF file. Again three dots. Then Send File. I have Gmail account, so I will click Gmail. If you have other mailing option, you can click there. The moment I click the icon, the PDF will be taken as draft in the mail. Whether you send the file to anyone or not, the file will be saved as draft. Now you don't need the smartphone. Now come back to your computer. In your PC or laptop, go to Mail. Again, I am opening my Gmail account. Go to draft, click the file, download, it will be downloaded in download folder. After downloading, copy the file and paste in desktop so that it can be found easily. Do not forget to rename the file. Write your name, class, section and subject while renaming the file. Now go to MS Team. Go to Write Team option. You maybe belong to periodic test 1 for class 6 or periodic test 1 for class 7 or periodic test 1 for class 8. But here, just to show you, I am going to class 5. Let's go to General Channel. Let's search assignments. The question paper will be available in the form of assignment. Here you can see the Add Work button. Click here. Bring the PDF file from your computer. Wait till it gets completely uploaded. Don't forget to turn in. Your file is submitted successfully. I hope you have understood completely. If not, feel free to ask us. And more importantly, take the help from your parents. Remember, you may require your parents' email ID. So, all the best for your upcoming exam. Thank you.